Hello, crochet enthusiasts! Today we're learning how to do a double crochet increase. Let's get started. Make a slip knot on your hook. Chain the desired number of stitches. Yarn over, insert the hook into the third chain from the hook. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. You now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. You've completed your first double crochet. Now, for the double crochet increase, yarn over and insert the hook into the same stitch. Yarn over and pull up a loop. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. You now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the remaining 2 loops. You've just made 2 double crochet stitches in the same stitch. This is a double crochet increase. Now, let's do this one more time. I'll demonstrate the double crochet increase in the next stitch. We've now made 2 double crochet increases. Let's continue this pattern. Continue this pattern until you reach the end of the first row. Chain 2 and turn your work. This counts as your first double crochet. Let's demonstrate 2 more sets of double crochet increases in this row. Watch closely as I repeat the process. Continue this pattern to complete the second row of double crochet increases. Congratulations! You've mastered the double crochet increase technique.